Hi students, in our previous class we learned about refraction of light through a prism. Today let us learn about dispersion of white light by a glass prism. What do you mean by dispersion? Say an incident ray of light falls on a glass prism. This incident ray undergoes a refraction when it enters the glass prism. This white light will split into its component colors. And this splitting of white light into its component colors is known as dispersion. The various colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The acronym is VIBGYOR. We get these different colors, say violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, because different colors of light bend through different angles with respect to this incident ray as they pass through this prism. The red light bends the least and the violet light the most. This band of colored components is called as spectrum. What do you call that? This is known as spectrum, this band. Please learn this acronym VIBGYOR to remember the sequence of colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Isaac Newton had proved that this white light is made up of 7 colors. He placed a second prism which is identical to this first prism in an inverted position. And what he observed was this white light, when it enters the first prism, it splits into its component colors. And this component colors were allowed to fall on the second prism. The second prism will recombine these component colors back to white light. The white light was obtained on this screen. From this he concluded that white light is made up of 7 colors. Any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of sunlight is referred to as white light. You might have seen rainbow in the sky after a rain. It is formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun. It's a multicolored arc or a curved line in the sky. After a rain, there will be water particles in the atmosphere. The sunlight shines on this water particle. When the sunlight enters this water particle, it undergoes refraction at this point. And when this reaches at the other side of the water drop, it reflects from there and it undergoes dispersion. This water particle or this rain drop will act like a prism, and when it reaches at this point it undergoes again a refraction. This band of colors is seen as the rainbow in the sky. Let us summarize what we learned. We learned about dispersion of white light by a glass prism. The splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. Then we learned recombination of the spectrum of white light. Isaac Newton proved that the sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Finally, we discussed about the formation of rainbow. Rainbow is an atmospheric phenomenon which is formed through the optical processes such as refraction, dispersion, internal reflection and secondary refraction. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next class with a new topic.